Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Sales Orders window is used to enter amounts of goods or services that the customer agrees to buy, but which are not shipped and invoiced immediately. Remember, entering sales orders does not impact the amounts within the Accounts Receivable General Ledger account. When entering a sales order, start by selecting the customer ID of the customer for whom you are creating the sales order. You can then enter the sales order number, which is the sales order number assigned to the transaction. You will also enter the sales order's date by entering it into the date field, and you'll enter the ship by date by entering that into the ship by date field. You'll also see the billing address of the customer appear within the form. If the billing address is different from the shipping address, you can enter the shipping address here as well. You may also notice a small checkbox for Close SO. You can check this box to manually close a sales order if needed. Otherwise, it will automatically check itself once all items from a sales order have been shipped and invoiced. Below that, the Customer PO, Ship Via, Terms, and Sales Rep assigned to the customer record should all appear. You can use the Accounts Receivable account drop-down if displayed in this form to select which account the sales order will debit when the items are shipped. Next, fill in the line item area below with the information about the items sold. The quantity field indicates how many are ordered. The shipped field indicates how many were shipped on previous invoices. The item field shows the item ID of inventory items if used. The description field simply shows the associated description for the selected item, or you can type a manual line item description if needed. The general account column, if displayed, shows the associated income account affected by the sale of that particular line item. When ordering items not in your inventory, it will default to the customer's default sales account. The value can be changed if needed. You also need to check and/or set the unit price, tax field, and amount for each line item. You also enter the amount of freight and set the sales tax code and sales tax amount at the bottom of the sales order window. The sales order's total will appear as the sales order total field. The customer account information appears in the lower left corner. This box will show the selected customer's balance, credit limit, and credit status as of the current date. When you're finished, simply click the Save button to save the sales order.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.